Hey everyone, in order to know the recipe of Gajar ka halwa, watch this video. I had some free time, so I thought to make the carrot halwa. Once I watched this video or this recipe by Ijaz Insari on YouTube, so I decided to make it. For this, I cut the carrots into small pieces. I poured some water in the cooking pan and put carrot pieces into it. Lit burner and check after some time either carrots are boiled or not. After the carrots are boiled, strain these into a strainer, otherwise it will take you 10 to 15 minutes more to dry water in the halwa. After this, try to mash carrots into the cooking pan and pour half cup of oil or desi ghee, it depends upon you, in kadahi. You can add ilachi for taste and mix mashed carrots into it. After this, you can add half cup of milk in it. Now listen carefully. When milk and paste get mixed well, then add sugar according to your taste and let it mixed. Now you can add khoya into it. Now the recipe is almost ready. Serve in the plate and garnish it with some dry fruits. It also depends upon you that what kind of dry fruit do you like. I like such ingredients that I poured. So see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.